technology revolution, internet revolution, mid-90s. From then onwards, I am watching. Even so many reforms, so-called today telecom deregulation, open sky policy, even all infrastructure reforms, power sector reforms, even national highways, so many reforms I have seen in this country. All these reforms in different governments, along with CA, I was instrumental to move forward. I am very happy to announce that. Today, why I am referring Honorable Prime Minister, country is having very stable government. You have seen recent West Bengal election. Even West Bengal, huge victory, historic victory. Earlier we used to talk what West Bengal thinks today, country thinks tomorrow. For the last 4 or 5 decades, West Bengal never thought, no forward. From now onwards, under our Honorable Prime Minister leadership, you are going to see different West Bengal. Unlocking the potential. That is the beauty of our Honorable Prime Minister. He is not only a reformer, always winner. In elections, both has to go together. Otherwise, we will have a problem. If both will go together, there is no defeat for entrepreneurs. You will have a better future in that direction. In this, I wanted to give you one example yesterday. Today, geopolitical situation is a reminder for all of us. We are all thinking how to mitigate. Our Honorable Prime Minister has given national mission. He has given 7 or 8 points. One is postpone purchase of gold. That is first suggestion he has given. Second one, if you see, energy conservation. He has given a great call. I know very well, around 97, 98 I started, around 99 I brought reforms in power sector reforms. That was the first reform in the country itself. I was able to produce good results. I was able to give very good light for the nation. At the same time, I lost election 2004 because of our sector reforms. Very, very tough at that time. People didn't digest. This is where all of us has to think how to conserve energy and also how to produce energy. This is all of you, I am requesting you. What all required for your industry, you have to produce at your factory itself. That is not far, that is a reality today. Every home, every agriculture pump set, every factory, every commercial complex, you have to generate power. Second one, he made a third one, use public transport. In the recent past, we are seeing big problem of gas. Even LPG gas is a problem. Now petrol, diesel. There is a big problem. War is somewhere. We are not responsible. All of us are suffering. So this is another call. Third one, he made a call that is work from home. It is a reality. Anywhere you are, you can work from home. everything is available now. Another call, greater self-reliance. This is also need of the hour. Reduce fertilizer consumption, go for natural farming. It will help both ways, that is foreign exchange and also health. It is going to impact hugely. Now all of us, especially giants who are all here from industry, everybody should take it as a national mission. It is not only Prime Minister's task, it is a task for all of us. I am confident we have to take up in a big way. Always crisis, it is a challenge. Every challenge will generate opportunity. Now, after this crisis, I am confident India is unstoppable. India will emerge as a global giant. This is going to happen. This movement can accelerate India's transition towards sustainable growth and energy independence. India must aggressively scale renewable energy, green hydrogen, pumped storage, biogas, ethanol blending, EV mobility, and decentralized energy systems. Andhra Pradesh, we are promoting prosumer concept. Every individual is a producer and also a consumer. From my rooftop, I can generate power. There is a need, I can use it or give back to the grid. Whenever you need, you can draw by swapping. So this is the concept, microgrid system we are establishing, so that I don't want to face tomorrow transmission losses and at the same time shortage of power. So natural farming is another one sector. We are going in a big way. 20 lakh acres of land, it is under natural farming in Andhra Pradesh. 20 lakh farmers are engaged. We are able to reduce in a big way fertilizer consumption, and also we are improving health condition, and also we are integrating further certification and also traceability in natural farming.